Top of the morning to you, nozzleheads. St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, and let's celebrate with some awesome 3D printing. Let's start it off with these pretty sweet stashes. Now, whether you can actually grow a stash or not, be the life of the party with this bad boy. Super easily printable and fits right up on your nose. Now, know everything we're about to look at, I made none of it. There's no sponsors, no collaborations, anything like that. No nonsense, only great 3D printing. So let's get started. Next, we have this little cauldron that I absolutely love. Print it green, gold, black. The handles don't need supports. They work perfectly. And of course, you can scale this up to put rainbows or tons of loot in there. And for me, I like to store it with, number one, all of my coins. Print these gold, green, multicolored. Obviously, these are scalable. Make them big, small. You can also print these little keychains that spin by their own. Super easy to print and kind of fun to play with. One of my favorite things I've printed lately, not even St. Patrick's Day related, just in general, is this awesome clicker that's a 4-leaf clover. Listen to this. That right there is satisfaction incarnate, baby. This, super easy to print. Now, it does use a mechanical keyboard little clicker, but you can buy them on Amazon really cheap. And then you can print tons of them, give them as gifts, use them all over. This is so addicting and legit one of my favorite 3D prints I've made in a while. Now, it's a tradition to drink on St. Patty's Day, and what better way to store your booze than with this little leprechaun booze alcohol holder. He's so cool, and I have to admit, I didn't print him because I ran out of green filament, but it would be a crowd pleaser without a doubt. Super cool, easy print, give him as a gift. Such a cool print. Similar to the leprechaun theme, here's a house that's pretty neat, great for a kid or a nice decoration on a bookshelf. It's a great combo starter and just a fun little 3D print to enjoy this time of year specifically. Next, we have this little 4-leaf clover container. Now, of course, you could scale this up to, I don't know, heck, even eat Lucky Charms out of it. But for me, I keep my little charms. So these are great to just 3D print easily. You can put them on a hoodie, you can put them on shoes, just so you don't get pinched. And it's great to keep a handful, hand them out as little gifts. Super cool little trinkets. Similar to the 4-leaf clover, this is a pot of gold. And once again, take a listen. Man, I love that sound. Put that on your desk. People are going to be visiting you all day. Or maybe keep it in your pocket if you don't want to get bothered, because this print is dope. Next, we have this Miter beer hat, which is freaking hilarious. Absolutely love it. If this actually prints out well and works, which it looks like it would, it's going to be a fan favorite for sure. And you're going to be the talk of the party, bar or group. Check this one out. Really neat, great design, and tons of fun. And finally, we have this cool gyroscope 4-leaf clover. It's super fun to fidget with, works really well. You don't need to do anything fancy, just 3D print it the way it is. You don't need supports or anything like that. It's gonna work for you right off the bat. Keep as a desktop toy, put it as a keychain, a gift, and much more. So that's my short list of my favorite STL files and 3D prints for St. Patrick's Day. All credit goes to the creators of these. I'm going to put the links to the STL files in the description below if you want to print them yourself. And thank you for watching. Happy St. Patrick's Day, stay safe, and happy printing.